Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now, I want to give you the differences between the Qlik and as well as the Power BI. So what are the things that are available? What are the advantages are available for Qlik and as well as how these are differentiated from Power BI. Both are very good data visualization tools in the market. So what are the features available parameter wise? We will see one after another, right? So first of all, we'll talk about a data engine. Your ClickSense is maintaining an associative based data engine, whereas your Power BI has SQL based data engine. And coming to the environment, here workbooks are created in the cloud so that we can all can work together. ClickSense provide two different kinds of the environments. One is ClickSense app and another one is the ClickSense cloud. So both logins it provides, so we can work any one of them. So together we can work. Okay, so cloud is one of the biggest feature available in the ClickSense, whereas this is not available in the Power BI. It creates an individual workbook that will be shares in the cloud. So we need to explicitly share that particular workbook, whatever we have created, into the cloud. And coming to the user interface point of view, your ClickSense is not much user friendly and less interactive and somewhat complexity it exhibits, whereas coming to the Power BI, very easy to understand and is very easy to uh, understand and as well as more interactive. Okay, it's not much complex. And coming to the cost and plans, you need to purchase a plan to start or need to take a free trial. 30 days free trial is given. Okay, so per month you need to pay $30 and enterprise SaaS needs to connect the sales team. This is for this enterprise we need to connect the sales team. And here in the Power BI, the desktop version is free to play with plans and $13.7 per month, and premium it is 27.5 per month for $5 per month. Like this, the plans varies from ClickSense to Power BI. The cost and as well as plans varies, but ClickSense provides one powerful functionality, that is 30 days free trial. So using the 30 days free trial, we can connect to the cloud login also. We can directly connect to the cloud also. So that we will see in the coming sessions. And now we are going to see the starting up. What is the coming to the parameter starting up? So your ClickSense requires the knowledge of scripting. Here everything we can manage with scripting. Instead of scripting, simply we can drag and drop also, but scripting is provided to work with each and everything like data modeling. To want to change, you want to add any new column, you want to add any new attribute like etc etc. So date attribute, you want to extract the year from that, you want to extract the month, you want to extract the date, etc etc. Various kinds of attributes are added and showed. And Power BI, one can go with Excel knowledge. Here Excel knowledge is sufficient in order to work with the Power BI. And coming to the key features, the associative model is directly linked tables. So here link table is a concept is there, which is as data modeling. We can see we can link the tables in order to maintain a star schema, snowflake schema, etc etc, to form a link table. And fact tables concept. And then storytelling. What is the meaning of storytelling is here, if you think some of your charts, some of your visualizations you want to show before your team. Okay, you want to explain those visualizations before your team. Okay, for that you need to maintain one PPT presentation and just play that presentation and explain such kind of visualization whatever you want. This is feature is called as storytelling. Okay, we can take snapshots of those charts, of those visualizations, and you can make it in a PowerPoint play presentation. Then you can explain it before the team. That is the purpose of primary purpose of the storytelling. And then Qlik indexing engine is one of the key feature in ClickSense. Now coming to the Power BI, seamless, it is directly integrated with Microsoft Office. It is the product of Microsoft, and more customization options and data analysis expression is one of the powerful feature of this Power BI. Now coming to the platform, it is a self-service business intelligence platform. Basically your ClickSense is a business intelligence platform, whereas your Power BI is a cloud-based platform. And similarities, these both tools share the similarities like dashboards, reports, and as well as the visualization. And coming to the language, proprietary scripting language Qlik script is there that we can use for any purpose, whereas here it make use of SQL, Python and R programming languages. So hence these are the differences between ClickSense and as well as the Power BI, the most widely used data visualization tools in the real world. So in the coming sessions we will talk more about these tools. If at all anyone didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you one and all.